Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what an October it has been, right? I know, it has been so busy. Number one, we released our Fold It Club with stencils. Are you totally excited or what? I know, if you're not in there, get in that club ASAP. Freebie, a $24.99 value. Can you believe it? I know, a brand new club, I'm so excited. Anyway, let's start with other items that you can get right now, ASAP. We started the month out with our Wagon to Stamp, and we had so much fun with it. Am I telling you, right? Now, not only is it for fall, it's also for spring. It's for any time of the month. I'm sorry, any time of the year, because of all the extra add-ons, those eggs, those fancy eggs, the fancy pumpkins, the little bats, the birthday stuff, so many different options with that. Then we released another Tri background. I know you guys love the Tri backgrounds as much as I do. I have the ideas. I just have a list a mile long of other ones I want to do. I'm so excited about those. But now we finally have another one. So fun. Here is a cute one. Oh, another wagon one, which you know, oh, so cute. Now, if you didn't get in on the Halloween items for the little peeps, get those too, because look how cute that little giraffe is as a mummy. I love it. We also released our Slimline Fold It. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Now, it could be for Christmas, or it could be for fall. It could be for any time of the year. You know what I'm thinking? I would love to see this fence, well, not that fence because that's a fall fence, this fence, but with those flowers in front of it for spring. Haven't seen that yet. One of you is going to do it now. Now, look at this. We also released our cute little turkey, gobble, 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 Fold It. Isn't he adorable? He's so cute. And we released our big word, thanks. Looks perfect on this fall fancy pumpkin. Happy Thanksgiving. Then we released our elegant banner, and let me tell you, I cannot wait to go hang this in my house. The second this video is over, it's going up in my house, but look at how gorgeous that is. With our cute little turkeys on there and our fun pumpkin, Happy Thanksgiving, our new Thanksgiving word on there. I absolutely love it. Now, Michelle, of course, could not be outdone. She had to make another stuffy, which this stuffy is really cute because it's a cute little banner for Halloween candy. Now, you could do a banner anytime. This one technically is double-sided, and you could easily put a child's name on there. You could put happy birthday. You need to have a banner for every single holiday, and you could hang it on a little kid's doorknob. So for example, you know, if you have nieces or nephews, if you have grandkids, great-grandkids, kids of your own, you can make cute little banners to hang on their doorknobs. Last but not least, we also released the 4 different Aqua Blend pencils by Crafter's Companion. Now, these will we're always going to try to keep these in stock. They're hard to keep in stock, but we'll always try to keep these in stock. But if you bought the original bundle that we had for a limited time with all 96 pencils in a Sue bag, you don't buy these because you already have these. But now we have all 4 of these options available as well. I'm telling you, what a month, what a month. Woo! I don't even know if I'm ready for November because you know what? We have even more fun things coming up. So make sure you're in that Fold It Club with the stencils. We're so excited about that. That ships on the 1st of each month. And you know what? I always have more things coming. So get ready. Buckle your seatbelts. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.